Hello everybody. So I just realized I forgot to record our dinner yesterday, so you're not going to be able to see all the beautiful, wonderful colors there were, but I'll just tell you what it was. We had sweet potato that I was boiled, and there was a little bit of butter, and well, it's margarine, salt, pepper, and some brown sugar. And then we had, well, they had asparagus, roasted asparagus, that was done up on the barbecue. I had peas, and then we had a lovely, beautiful barbecued chicken breast. Oh, it's delicious. So there was that beautiful orange and the green and the, oh, it was a beautiful plate. Like seriously, it was the most beautiful color you've ever seen. So sorry I forgot, but I'm doing my darndest to remember. I'm new at this. I'm gonna remember. I'm cooking dinner tonight, so you're gonna see that in a little bit. Tonight's dinner is a very simple, easy dinner. Sorry, I have somebody right there. There's Simba. Hey, girl. But anyway, so for supper tonight, we are having sausages, fries, and broccoli. Why? Because we have 100-kilometer winds outside. I didn't know if power's going to go out. This is nice and simple. And here's mine. A little mayonnaise on the side to dip my fries and my sausage in. Who else likes that? I can't be the only one. It's delicious. So, wait until tomorrow, see what we're having then. Okay, so for Monday night's dinner, we are having roasted potatoes, which you guys will have already seen the video for, pork roast, and steamed carrots. And they're just salt, pepper, butter, a whole bunch of herbs. I do have gravy. It's over, yeah, here at the kids' plates. This one's mine. Okay, the gravy is over here. Oh, yes. I have a feeling that the leftovers for this is going to go very lovely with French fries. Okay, anyway, here's dinner for Monday night. Yummy! And here's dinner for Wednesday night. Today's Wednesday, right? Yep. Yeah. We're having, or they're having, anyway, these are the boys' pizzas. Yes, they are frozen Delissio pizzas. And they are having boxed chicken wings. I don't even know what they are. I think they're smoky barbecue, or I'm really not even sure. I'm sorry, I don't know. I just follow the directions on the box. Katie had a day of pizza with these chicken wings. These are the chicken wings I'm going to be having for dinner as well. She had hers coated in this. I'm going to have mine coated in the, if I can get over here, the chicken and wing sauce that I made. And I'm probably going to have a salad with mine, I think. I'm really not sure. Super easy dinner tonight because we had a delivery today. Let me show you just quickly here. We have a new fridge, which is lovely. The top part is also a fridge. How cool is that? So I can have it fridge or fridge and freezer. And we got a new gas dryer, but I'm not about to show you that. So yes, super easy dinner tonight. Okay, I have no idea what's for tomorrow. And dinner tonight is nice and easy. We are just having pork chops. Oh, I think I had my hand over the microphone. We're having pork chops, rice, and some garden vegetables, which is green beans, yellow beans, and carrots. Nice and easy. So I think I'm going to end this week's videos here. Today is Thursday. I'm still trying to sort out what days I want to record. If I want to do it Monday to Friday, 7 days, I'm not sure. I'm still trying to feel this out and trying to remember to grab my camera when I'm done cooking dinner. I'm still working on the when I'm going to be doing all this. So right now I'm just going to have to kind of bear with the different days and me trying to figure it out. I know some people are going to ask how the chicken wing sauce was. Oh, it was so good. It was so good, like finger looking good. It could have been a little spicier though, but nah, next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye.